to Gordon Guitar. We have a cool song here from Lovejoy that I would like to share with you. It's called Call Me When You Like. So a great song that has this pickings and also the strumming. So both sides and it's nice to practice both things. So thought it could be great to show you this one. And yeah, we will start here with a capo set on the 3rd fret. And with that, we have 6 different chords to go over. So let's start with the chords first. We'll start with A minor. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord will be D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have F, so that's a bar chord. It's a bar here on the 1st fret over all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the next chord is G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have C, and that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And finally, the E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Alright, so A minor, D, F, G, C, and E. That's what we're going to work with. And we'll start here with the intro and the verse, and it's the picking here based upon 4 different chords. So A minor, D, and F. So we'll go over the notes here chord by chord. So let's start here with the A minor. This part goes like this. Okay, so that is open A, then 1st B, then open A again, then 3rd B, and 1st E. Sorry, 1st B. So 3rd B, 1st B. Alright, then we'll go over to D. This is up here. It's based upon this version of D here, a little bit different from the standard D. But the notes goes up here, and this part goes like this. So it will go up to the 5th fret on A string, then 4th on D, then back to 5th on A, then you will go to 5th D, and 4th D. That's the D part. Now over to the F. It sounds like this. Alright, so that is 1st on E in the bass, then 2nd G, then back to 1st E, then open B, and 2nd G. Alright, and the final part will be based upon the G. It sounds like this. Okay, so that is 3rd on E in the bass, then open B, then back to 3rd E, then you slide up to the 4th E, sorry, and open B, and 4th E. So this final part was 3rd E, open B, 3rd E, then 4th E, open B, and 4th E. And that's the end of this intro and verse play, okay? So I'm gonna take you through this one round slowly and then speed up to standard tempo. So there you have it. All right, so 2 times in the intro, and then starts the verse, and here you're gonna play another 4 rounds of this medley or picking. All right, and that takes us to the pre-chorus. In the lyrics, I like to think that I'm the only guy, and so on. Okay, so here you're gonna pick, again, it's based upon different chords here, the A minor, G, and C, and then F, but you're just gonna pick 2 notes together, okay? So it goes like this for 2 rounds, so. And then I'll pause there, and then you repeat it again. So 2 rounds of that. So what you're gonna do here, you're gonna pick the first fret B string together with open A. That's the A minor. Then you go to the G and play the open B together with 3rd E in the bass. And then the C part here, you're gonna play the 2nd D together with 3rd A. After the C, you have a short pause and then play it again. All right, so 2 rounds of that. And then you're gonna play the F, and you hold this grip again, same grip as you hold in the intro. So that will be first on E in the bass together with 2nd G. You're gonna play this. Okay, 3 times you pick that, and then you have a short break there, and that builds up for the chorus that comes. Okay, so that was the pre-chorus, 2 rounds of this. Now we're ready for the chorus, and now is where we're gonna have the strummings here. So it starts with the A minor, so grab that one. So 1 strumming round will be about 4 downs, and I would like to have a little bit difference here in when you strumming. So you're gonna strum 2 downs on the bass mid strings, and then 1 down on the top, so the higher strings here, and then back to 1 down on bass. So that will be 4 in total there. So bass, bass, top, bass with your strumming hand. So that will be 1 strumming round. So it goes A minor 4 rounds, then C 4 rounds, then D 4 rounds, and F 4 rounds. That chord you play for 2 rounds. So A minor, C, D, F, 4 string rounds per chord times 2. Slowly goes like this. And it's pretty much repetition here for the second round here, second verse, and then comes the second chorus right immediately after that second verse. It's played in the same way as the parts we just learned. All right, so after the second chorus comes a bridge part. It's in the lyrics, this just in, I'm a total, and so on. So from there on, you're gonna play the bridge parts, and you will continue with the same kind of strumming, the 4 downs. It's 1 round. Now the chord progression will be A minor, 2 rounds, G, 2 rounds, F, 2 rounds, and E, 2 rounds. So 2 strumming rounds per chord, and it goes A minor, G, F, and E. That chord progression you're gonna play for 4 rounds. All right. So a little bit slower than standard for first round, and then gonna speed up to standard tempo in the second round. Right. nice how you handle the bridge part. And then it comes with a third chorus. It's the same, but you just play it for more rounds. It will be for 4 rounds instead of 2 we learned in the previous courses. And that pretty much covers Lovejoy's Call Me What You Like. So a great song to practice some simple picking patterns here, and also strumming. So give it a chance, guys. Lovejoy, Call Me What You Like. Play tuned.